Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling essentials so you can act immediately. Pick a strong title that frames your argument, list your name, class, and date, and gather a high-resolution image for the cover. Once done, make sure to scan or export any physical documents at 300 dpi and organize digital files into a single folder. You'll save time later when laying out the page. Also create a working citation list, now so you don't lose sources while you design. You now move to structuring the front page. Set the document to A4 or US letter with 1 margins, then create a clear grid to align elements. Choose 2 complementary fonts, serif for the title and sans for supporting text, and assign sizes for hierarchy so the title dominates. Once the grid is in place, position the image and text blocks to balance negative space and readability. Make sure to include class and teacher details in a smaller weight near the bottom to finish the composition. You finish by proofreading every label and caption, confirming dates, spellings, and teacher names so the front page looks professional. Once satisfied, export a high-quality PDF at 300 dpi or PDF/X for printing and embed fonts to avoid layout shifts. Then print a single test copy to check scale, color, and margins. If colors appear off, adjust color profile or print settings and re-export. If the image crops or bleeds unexpectedly, tweak the trim and re-export. This solves most last-minute issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.